Hey guys, welcome to Quick Learn. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your iPhone screen turning black during WhatsApp calls. For this video, we're gonna try multiple ways on how to solve this issue, so just in case one doesn't work, you can always try the others. Our very first step is gonna be really easy. You just simply need to restart your iPhone. By doing that, long press your Apple button and volume at the same time until you see a restart option. After restarting your phone, make sure to restart your WhatsApp too. By opening your multitask, just simply do it like this. And that should be the first solution. For our next one, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to its newest version. To check, go to the App Store, which is right here, and then search for WhatsApp. If the app says update, then it's outdated, so that means you have to update it in order to fix bugs and viruses that may have been causing your microphone not working. If these methods still did not work, try on checking your iPhone if you still have enough storage on your device. If your device does not have enough storage, try deleting unnecessary files or pictures. So to do that, you're going to want to go to Settings, General, and Storage. As you can see, I have 60.5 gigabytes of my 64 GB used. That means I still have enough for WhatsApp, but if you have only a bit of storage left, then you need to start clearing your phone. So WhatsApp works like how it's supposed to. With all these steps, I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and clicking the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.